Oh, I thought they were riders. I was about to say, that is the smallest bike I've ever seen. What is this? What's going on here? I got you on camera, old man. Midge! I love that name, Midge too. If I had a kid, I'd name her Midge. Or Betsy. Has to be a boy though. Give him a rough life. Don't make him tough. Nope. She's on her phone. I want a McLaren. I want a McLaren so bad, like a race one. I don't want to own one. I want to race one. I want to F with the Jaguar. Maserati, quad tip. I hate when cars are behind me. It's so hard to catch up to them. Which one is that? I don't know which one that is. There's too much traffic. I'm gonna just cut. There's no way we can have fun. Yeah, I'm angry now. We gotta cut. I want to show him my taillight. Ferrari. Blue Ferrari. Ooh, McLaren! Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, that is so beautiful. She was pointing at me. She wants it. He did a wheelie for me. Ooh, Dodge Viper. Corvette. Old guy, I told you. Old people. They've been ruining Corvettes for everybody. Corvette, see? Old guy. See? Old mother. I want to ride with them. That kid has sunblock on his face. His mom must have slammed his face in it. Be like, boy, you better put that sunscreen on if you want to go out. Here, oh, it's gross. Put a shirt on. I almost crashed because of you. Excuse me, I would like to blaze through. I've had enough of this BS. I'm not a car. I'm a fine motorcycle. A hottie. Not her, me. I'm a hottie. I want to F with this so bad. If I can really get all funky and up in there. I don't see any other fast car up there. Ooh, no, I see one. Nah, it's a Porsche. I'm through with Porsches. I've had enough. Ooh, Ferrari. Two ladies. Would they want to clown with the bad boy? Bitch, I'm paid up. Get your weight up. You're a top back. Reel a shade up. I got that automatic, so you know I'm automatic. All my autos automatic. You know that's automatic. Ooh, IA. First time I've seen a red one. Oh, that is cool. I don't want to drive them. I don't want to own them either. I just want to race them. That's all your boy's saying once. Corvette, let's see. Old man. I'm telling you guys, old men. Suck on it, choke on it, all of the above on it. Any day now. Any day now. Push the pedal, lady. I'm so happy that I'm a motorcycle right now. Nah, not interested. Old man. Cool, I can see my reflection. That looks so awesome. Oh my god, it looks so awesome. Oh, that is so cool. Ooh, Porsche. Nah, I feel like I've done too much Porsches. Like, all the Porsches want to have fun, I understand that, but I've kind of had enough of them. I don't want any more of them. Ooh, that's a girl. That's a girl. On a Triumph for a Ducati, that's a girl. A female. A woman! One Porsche and the Porsche up there as well. This Porsche is gone. Got another Porsche right there. Why am I getting blessed with Porsches? Is God giving me a sign that this is all you're gonna get? All you finna get? Not gonna get. Finna get. I think it's a girl because the hair is flipping. Ah, no, it's a dog. 911S with a dog and an old man and a blonde shawty on the side. She could be old one, I don't know. But in my mind, everyone's beautiful. But then I see them and they're ugly. I go. 911S. Was that puppy? Puppy likes it, puppy wants it. Puppy wants to do doggy style. Come on, pull, pull, pull. I should have waited. I don't know why I didn't. I should have waited. We could have gotten a pull out of him. If it's meant to be, he'll come back. Man, I could have gotten a crazy pull out of him. Maybe. Or I could have just pulled on him. See, I blazed too. Now I got nobody to play with. It's just me and this shirtless dude. Put your shirt on, homie. He heard me. He heard me. Come on, nobody wants to see that. Could have whooped another Porsche. Is that a cop? No, that dude's smoking weed. You guys want to know a habit that I have? Since I have riding boots, I like to take my finger and put it in the back of my boot. It's all warm and cozy in there. Ferrari. Bye bye Ferrari, an old man, an old woman! Good luck with that. Ooh. Alright. I don't want to chase an R8 right now. Well, let it go. I see so many of them. Yeah, I'm serious. I'm gonna let it go. Woman! Slow down! Ooh, old Corvette. Driven by old man. Ooh, I want that. I want that. I want that Mercedes. I want this right here. I want to go to town on it. I want that. Watch. How many people did that scare? It's a Lambo. Give him a car? I don't think he want to do anything though. Yeah, he won't. He's got that watch on, he's got a chick in the car and the top down. And he's deep in conversation. He has a beautiful, I always love the Gallardo, or Giardo, whatever it is, more than any other ones. Huracan's nice, but I love this one. I just love chasing cars down. It's Nemesis's hobby. Ferrari. Should we? Oh, I thought they were riders. I was about to say, that is the smallest bike I've ever seen. What is this? What's going on here? I got you on camera, old man. Ferrari. And I just see a Lambo. What the hell am I supposed to do? Should we chase the Lambo? Or should we take a break? Kinda wanna take a break. I could catch up to the Lambo. We're gonna take a break. I decided. I've been chasing Lambos for years. Actually for days. I8. Nah, we're gonna let it go. We're gonna let it slide because I'm not into I8 right now. I don't want to go back there. I'm going forward. We'll catch another I8. Don't worry. She left something. Shawty so hot she can melt something. Remember one thing always, all right? When you're on a motorcycle racing someone else, always let them pull first. Otherwise, it won't be fun when you pass them. And you'll miss the feeling of giving them that feeling that they think they're winning. Oh, my shadow, that's so cool. The only one I can't beat is my shadow. Oh, mother. Oh, I racked myself so hard. Oh my god. GTR finally. But it's going the other way. Dang it, I was just thinking that I never see GTRs around here. They're smashing in there, aren't they? Smashing in that limo. Banging, drilling going on in that limo. Until next time, Saying Sexy's out of here. I wish you guys the best. And remember to subscribe. Only because you love me, man. Only because you love me. It's half a heart. You bring the other heart. Half of the heart. Whatever. I don't know. Peace. Riding a motorcycle is dangerous. Whatever you guys see me do, please don't imitate. It is done by a noob professional. Your boy's saying I wear all gear at all times. So yeah, so don't copy what I do. Just watch, be entertained, move on with your life, and go out there and make your own memories. Peace.